I cannot feel that.
Why?
It's dirty already because your house is not clean.
Can you touch it again?
Mm-hmm. Careful, ha? Nahulog.
Mommy, look at this.
Very simple breakfast. Thank you. Kay, ano to? Kay Manang, ano to? Kaya lang, ano to?
Lang lang.
Lang lang. Ano to, pakwan? Kapon tong pakwan doon, tumuto naka-recover sa akong sakit, sa init.
Mm-hmm.
Wala ka akong pakwan.
Mm-hmm.
Para wala pa tayo painom ko siya tubig, kay init din. Para hindi magtaas ng ano lang.
So, naubos sige pa tanan niyang tubig.
Dabi dyan dagyan niya. Para hindi siya ma-dehydrate lang. Saan siya? Pag gamay-gamay lang.
Very cold. Yes.
Gainom. Water eh. Wala sa dad ka na nanggawa. Hindi anong yung kanakon bala. Hindi sulit bid bala. Gabi na siya kabawi.
Hindi na kaya lang matalaw. Hawal ito kang puli ang ba.
Pero namin good makakaon-kaon like mga fish tonic.
Dito sa check mo, wala pang fish.
Wala sila fried fish. Meron sila
Habaw.
sinigang na fish. Fish ashroom ba yan? Hindi ko lang kakanas pa na.
More on ano na dahil. Parang timpla.
Sanay ko lang sa dalang last ay na.
No.
What? Mommy, I'm just playing.
Okay.
Pero pula
You wipe your hands here. There's ano.
fish. Ano ka pakwan? Namit ka pakwan.
Mommy, there's so many people swimming in the pool. Ooh, so mommy.
Last one na. Cheers. Cheers. Parang ano? Lasang watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
Matamis ang watermelon. What? Wala nakagawa ang dolphin, no?
Honey.
Ayang.
Arap ng car, pero wala lang kita-kita. Kaya wala kita nag ano. Wala kahapon mo ang atong tambay sa babaw. More atong matambay kagapon sa babaw.
A bubble?
Ang dolphin wala na nakabalik. Because they know that sunrise is there waiting.
I won't put the water.
Damulit ka na yun doon. Nabis ng breakfast. Simple lang. Muna gusto ko. Gamay lang ala. Fruit soup.
Mommy, can we drink the water?
No, it's
Hindi
dirty.
na naya pag-drink.
Because you put your hands.
Leta ni... Oh,
Huh?
diba?
This one?
It's clean.
Don't wash your hands there. It's not CR. Come on, give me that. It's not CR. This is not
You
CR.
wipe your hands from that power.
It's not CR. Come on, you relax. 5 minutes relax, then you go back there.
Thank you, Lord.
Kay ma-settle. Ang damit naman ang kulang. That's...
Masapat na imas ka.
Bilit-biton naman lang to halos. Ano?
Ah,
Bilit-biton naman lang. Pang sarado kay bilit-biton. Mga valuables.
Here, Mommy.
Hmm?
I don't want to take a picture.
Oh, let's check the dolphin. Dolphin, where are you?
Dad, check the dolphin.
I'm eating pa.
Oh, and how about you, Mommy?
She's still eating also.
Oh, and how can we use?
You have eyes, right? So you check the dolphin there. You use your eyes. We do like this like last night. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Come on. Let's do it again.
Sunrise.
The dog is sleeping. You do it.
Sunrise.
Let's do it again. Come on na. Come on. Oh, only one. Only one.
Sa 22 siya na pasensya.
Come on na, come on.
Kung babae.
Uy, uy, uy. Uy, uy, you might pull, you might pull. Ate is there. Ate. You talk to ate. Uy! Oh, come on na. You do it like that. Then we will go na. Come on na. Ay.
Wala yung sound.
Nice. Come on na.
Hey!
Let's do it like this lang.
Stop shouting, ha?
Someone sleeping there. Oh, come on na. You do it like this. Do you like this song? Come on na. Only one like this song.
No!
Mommy, oh. Mommy will show you.
Mommy, don't throw me.
Don't hurt Daddy, stop shouting.
See? Told you. Oh, come on na. Do like only one lang. Come on na. Oh, mommy, ah.
Sana stop
Oh,
doing
sige
that.
na. Like this na. Kiss lang kilikili, daddy. Daddy will kiss you.
Scared.
Kilikili yun. One
No,
lang.
I'm scared.
Sige na, kilikili lang. Then, let's go na. Come on na. I will kiss your kilikili na. Saan? You show to the camera for the resibo. O, sige na. Okay, guys. I will kiss Sunrise kilikili. Ah. Come on na. I will check your kilikili.
No, I'm scared. You're gonna...
I will not do that. Come on na. Trust me. I am your dad. Come on na.
No.
Hindi pa sunugan Daddy, kaya kagahon sa inyo doon.